today what we're going to learn about is cutting some molding, and not any molding, but crown molding, and how you can add a little something to your house, really easy, that's cost efficient, and looks really good. If you're a DIYer and you have something that looks like this, but realistically you want it to look like this, with a little bit of crown molding, in this episode, we can definitely make that happen. Make sure that you're taking a really good measurement, a very accurate measurement, and you're writing it down. That's super important. That way your molding will fit just right. So today we're going to cut crown molding, and there's a couple tricks and a couple strategies that you need to use. So first of all, the way you're going to hold the crown when you're cutting it is going to be the opposite of the way that it's going to be on the ceiling. So if you're going to have this decorative portion on the top part of the ceiling, you're going to make sure that you flip it when you're cutting it. Okay? And depending, remember, if you flip it though, you're going to have your right is not going to be your left, and your left is going to be your right. So you'll notice that I just finished this cut, and I have the board is still upside down. That I have the decorative portion that's going to go against the ceiling is on the bottom, and the elongated portion, my bottom part, is on the top part right now. So when I flip it over and I pull it out, and it's going to be oriented like this on the ceiling. Okay, now that we've made our cuts on both ends, and we've cut our other board for our corner piece, we're gonna match them up and see if they fit. So if you notice, if we put them together end to end, they're not gonna work. So find the angle that fits, and they should match like that. So. And I recommend using a glue. This is a quick acting glue with an accelerant, so it'll instantly adhere to the piece, making it easier to install. So if you notice, I've installed it, and we have the decorative angle on the top, the smooth on the bottom, and this is what the end product should look like. You might have some gaps, but in those gaps you can just use some caulking and fill. Obviously I'm not a professional, but that's what I do. And make sure you fill your nail holes too. So this is what we're shooting for. Add a little bit of character to your house and some value. It's really easy by adding some crown molding.